Okay, welcome to Odd Parts. This is our messy movie. Here's our messy shop. With our messy 5-gallon unit with a couple of pieces of clear vinyl tubing in them. We've got the Harting fuel pump in question right here. It's hooked up to a pressure gauge. We'll be able to read the pressure. And we're just going to give it about 12.5 volts there or so. Alright, Matt, plug in the unit. This is a freshly repaired Harting pump. Valves, everything. Is it drawn fuel on its own? Where's the fuel? It's right here. Okay, there. Okay, well, it's gonna be self-priming. Oh, there it goes. So it had enough vacuum in the system to pull up its own fuel. That's amazing.
It's not
Oh, it's got a little bit of air in the line. Now it's going. There we go. Can't have air in your line. What's making the old chunk, 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 chunk noise? Oh, just like a heart beating. Putting it right back into the old can here. It's going to purge itself of all of its air any second here. But that's okay. We can see see it's pulsing. Now, if I take this right here and clamp it off, give us an indication that it's right around 3 pounds of pressure. Our unit is leaking here a little bit, so be careful when you disconnect this. But yeah, hey, we got a functional pump. Okay, that's it for the moment. That's all she wrote.